In this video, we're going to look at how to take that user profile that we backed up in the last video and restore it or put it back on to our new laptop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to where we have those files stored. I happen to store mine in a folder in my Google Drive. So I'm going to select that folder. I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to go down to where it says download. So I need to download that folder that I put them all in first. Now it is preparing the download. It is going to be a zip file, so I will have to extract that because it is pretty large. Okay, I'm just going to leave it the name that it came up with, and I'm going to say save. Now I'm going to close out the internet, and here you see that zip file. So what I need to do now is extract all that, so I'm going to click on it. And when I open it up, it says to extract up here. So I'm going to click on extract all. And I'm going to place this on my desktop. So I'm just going to leave it where it is. And I'm going to say extract. So now you'll see I have two files. I have this one and I have this one that is the zip. This is the one that will have the files that I'm able to put on to this new computer. So I'm actually going to open this up and I'm going to use that control button again. I'm going to hold it down and select the files that I want to add back on to my computer. Now, this is just a few. I did not do the whole thing, but you probably have your contacts, your documents, videos, pictures, and that sort of thing. So I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to say copy, and then I'm going to close this out. And now I'm going to go to this PC and I'm going to go to Windows, and I can get to it over here, or I can actually get to it here. So I'm going to open it there. I'm going to go back to users. Now I'm going to open up my username, my profile, and then I'm not going to click on any of this. I'm going to go to a blank area over here. As you can see, I'm going to right click and I'm going to say paste. Now it's going to say replace the files in the destination, skip these files. You are probably going to have those files already in there, but we're replacing them with the ones that you just that you had saved from your old computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to say replace these files in that destination. So you'll click that, and then it will start and it will replace those that you had downloaded, and it will put the new ones that you had backed up from your old computer.